Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a beautiful set of Valentine's Day nails. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this Color Club holographic polish, and this is just for under my rhinestones, just in case anything falls off. You can't really tell because you have something that matches your bling. So we're gonna do that on her index finger and her ring finger. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with this light pink by La Pomme in the color Perfect Paris, and this is a regular polish. So we're gonna apply this to all her fingers, but I'm gonna do the ones that I'm doing ombre first because I want them to dry a little bit quicker. So I'm gonna apply that first on the ring finger and the middle finger of both hands, and then I'm gonna apply it to the rest of the nails as well. And I also want to mention that when I'm doing the ombre nails with polish, I only do one coat of that base color, and then on the rest of the nails that I'm not doing ombre on, I do go back and do two coats. So on this set I won't be doing two coats on that ring finger, or sorry, on the ring finger, yes, and the middle finger on one hand, and then this hand it will be the index finger and the middle finger. So on those fingers I won't be doing two coats, but I will be doing two coats on both pinkies and both thumbs. So I'm doing the second coat on the pinkies and the thumbs, and after this I'm gonna get a makeup wedge sponge, and you can find these at Dollar Tree or Dollar General or Walmart, wherever. So I'm using this Pure White by La Pomme, and right now I'm measuring to see where I want to put my white and my pink. So as you can see, I just brushed my white onto the sponge, and I like to do my white first and then do the pink over it, that way they kind of blend in the middle. And then we're just gonna dab that sponge onto the nail, and as you can see, it just sticks right onto the nail. And you want to just go back and do this till you get that full coverage that you want. I really don't count how many times I do it. I kind of just eye it, and whenever I get that coverage that I want, that's when I stop. So you want to just alternate from finger to finger or from hand to hand. You want to make sure that you wait long enough to where they're dry. So as you can see, I did the first hand and then I moved over to this hand, and I can kind of tell whenever there's no polish coming off. So you go back and add more polish on your sponge and just keep dabbing it on the nail, and then at the end you just clean around the cuticle area to remove all that nail polish. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with that same pure white, and I'm using my nail art brush, which I have available on my website, and I'm just gonna draw a couple of hearts on there. And I am freehanding them. I know on my Instagram somebody asked me what template or stickers I use. As you can see, I am just drawing them, and like I said, I just draw on the nails as if I was drawing on paper or painting on paper or whatever. You just want to not think about it too much. I know a lot of people just kind of stress about it a lot and they want to do it differently, but I literally just do it the same as if I was painting on paper. Alrighty, so I'm doing the same thing on the thumb. As you can see, I'm going to draw one heart in the middle closer to the cuticle area, and then I'm just going to alternate and do one heart, then two on the side, one and then two, until we get to the bottom. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with my Mia's Secret gel resin to apply some bling. So I'm using my wax pencil and I'm using my SS6 and SS12 rhinestones, and I'm just going to fill up this whole nail. So as you can see, I kind of alternate with the small and the big ones, and it's kind of like a puzzle. You just alternate from the two sizes and you just fill in the gaps as you go. Alrighty, so same thing for the other finger. We apply the glue and then we start applying the rhinestones with our wax pencil. So I also want to mention that I do apply glue over the whole nail at first, or just in that area where I'm gonna start at, and then I just keep adding glue as I go because it will kind of dry up. So you want to just make sure you keep adding so you're not just applying on the bare nail. Alrighty, so I'm also going to apply a couple more rhinestones on the other nails. So as you can see, I'm still using my SS6 and SS12, my wax pencil, and my same Me Secret gel resin, and then I just apply the glue wherever I want it. And I'm just kind of alternated from the sizes, and we're actually getting this design from the other set that I did not too long ago. It was the birthday nails with the bling. It was on my Instagram, so go check that out. Alrighty, so now I am applying my gel top coat, and this is my IBD gel top coat, and it is a non-cleanse, so I don't have to go back and wipe off any inhibition layer because it doesn't have one. So then I'm just going to cure this for 60 seconds and we will be done. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that on my nail with my rhinestones, I like to go back and kind of seal those edges to make sure that nothing would just kind of rip off. So you just want to, like I said, seal the edges with a little bit, and then as you can see, I kind of go back and wipe off anything that got on the rhinestones. Same thing for this one, I kind of just apply my gel top coat around the rhinestones so they don't lose its shine. Alrighty, so now I'm just applying my clear pineapple cuticle oil. So this is the final look. They turned out so pretty. They're so shiny. Those colors look awesome. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at GetNailed32.